We're committed to providing you with a first-class student experience at Aberystwyth University. We want to be constantly improving, prioritising the areas that are most important to you. So we're asking you to tell us now. Tell us about your course and the teaching you're receiving, the assessment and feedback, the academic support, the organisation and management, the learning resources, and your personal development. Tell us what we're doing well, what you'd like us to improve on, and tell us what matters most to you from your student experience. We will then analyse the results and make recommendations for change based on what you've told us. Some of the findings may prompt further research, so we can gain more of an understanding of how you feel about particular issues. Your responses are vital to help us keep improving the student experience at Aberystwyth. So go on, tell us now.